Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your Snapchat application. Now here you need to make a video of about 1 to 2 seconds. Now on your bottom left corner you can see a plus icon. Now select it. Now on your right side of your screen you can see a option called import media. Now select on it. Now select on the picture that you want to send as a snap. Now select on tick, which is on the bottom right corner. Now you need to select on the video which is on the bottom left corner that you have recorded previously. Now delete it. Now select on delete, and now select on review option which is on the bottom right corner. Now here is the photo that you have get from your gallery and you can send it as a snap to your friends on Snapchat. Now select on send to, and you can select any friends that you want to send this picture as a snap. So that's it for the video now. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.